Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. 4-hour Tesla chart, not much going on. You can see if you line up the candle bodies, if you come across here, the key level we'll be watching on the 4-hour chart is about 827.50 to 828. You can see it's holding the rotation zone nicely. To the downside, we'll be watching this 805 level. Rotation zone's above it now. Again, retracement pullback level. And the bottom of the rotation zone, so that's the key level to the downside. So those are the key short-term levels, the upside and the downside for next week. Again, just drifting here. See here, drifting along the rotation zone on a closing basis. And you can also see that key level, right around here with all these candle bodies. So we already discussed that one. I'd just go with 828. The upside, none of the levels have changed from the prior videos. If we do break below that 805 level, the next major area on the daily we'll be watching is 780. So those are the levels we'll be watching based off the daily and the weekly for a weekly wrap up. Inside week from last week, lower volume, so it just really needs to break up or down out of those ranges, especially on the 4-hour chart. Big pullback level on the weekly is 740, and if we did have a bigger drop, then I'd start watching about the 683 level. So we have a view on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.